Beatrice, a 45-year-old widow, has 5 children of her own, and she's taken in an orphan who is now grown. When she needed a small loan to grow her business and support her family, like many women in Rwanda, she didn't have access to traditional banks. That's where World Vision and Vision Fund's affiliated Rwandan microfinance institution, Vision Finance Company, comes in, unlocking an opportunity for entrepreneurs like Beatrice, who often find themselves locked out of traditional financial services. In Rwanda, 67% of Vision Finance's clients are women. This is significant when faced with the reality that women control less than 1% of the world's assets. Before granting a loan to Beatrice, Vision Finance taught her basic accounting skills, how to manage her business, and how to manage her loan. For many clients like Beatrice, this is the first loan of their life.
Most of them are widows, and they've gone through a lot. And our main issue is to make sure that these women come up as people who can work for themselves and take care of their families.
With training, Beatrice became eligible to get a loan as part of a group. Giving loans to groups spreads out the risk, allows borrowers to cross-guarantee each other's loans, and provides group support. Like Beatrice, Daria also lost her husband during the Rwandan genocide in 1994. As a widow, she has raised 4 children. But her family and her heart are much bigger. She also took in 10 orphans, most of whom lost their parents to HIV and AIDS or during the genocide.
She was able to educate all 14. This is, sometimes even me, I say as a miracle. It's a miracle.
She says Vision Finance gave her working capital she could not get at a regular bank. Most banks require assets to secure a loan, but in Rwanda, assets, like livestock and property, have traditionally belonged to men. As a widow, Daria didn't have the kind of assets that most banks are looking for. But after becoming a Vision Finance client, she's been able to take out more than 10 loans. She has bought cattle and land, built a new home, and opened a restaurant.
I saw it working. I saw where every day a poor woman can make double of her profits after getting a real working capital.
And that can lift an entire family out of poverty. Daria says she dreamed of going to school to become a doctor or lawyer. She didn't get the chance, but with access to microcredit, she's made school possible for 14 children. One is now an accountant and hopes to work for Vision Finance someday. Daria says now she has a new dream of expanding her small business to include a hotel.
With microfinance, I think now poor can now dream bigger.
To me, it is amazing. It shows that there's that hidden power that was profitable.
In 2010, Vision Fund's overall portfolio was $341 million, with 638,000 active borrowers in 40 countries. With a loan repayment rate over 93%, nearly 2.7 million children's lives were positively impacted in the same year. See lives changed and engage the entrepreneurial poor through Vision Fund today.